how to upload a short video, copyright free, no watermark, high quality, using your TikTok app alone. That is what I want to show you on this video. So I remain Petsyinka TV. Here I teach my loved ones, well-wishers, on what to do in order to better that platform. So right now, sit as I teach you word for word what to do in order for you to upload a video copyright free, no watermark, high quality, that you can still post on your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, across all social media platforms, and it will appear high quality with no restriction. So that is what I want to teach you right now. So follow me as I teach you word for word. And if you have not followed me, please click on the plus button so that if you did not understand the teaching fully, you can still get the video back to watch and play as I teach you. So all you have to do right now, you have to click on this next. You click on the next. So when you click on the next, it will take you to the dashboard where you will do the settings. So right now, all you have to do here now, you click on more. When you click on more, you see all the settings here. Like you can see, I've set some, but this is the major thing, the main thing that I want to set right now. You see, 1, auto check sound copyright. So this auto check copyright sound, if you click it on, definitely before you post the video, TikTok will check if there is any copyright there. If there is any copyright, TikTok will indicate it. Then you have to do what? Wipe off the part that is copyright or anything that is copyright. Then you make sure that your video is sound. So after that, you screw up. You are going to see allow high quality. If yours is not turned on, turn it on. You can see that mine is turned on. Turn it on, so that when your video is coming out, it will come with a high quality. Any phone they put it, it will be high quality. Anywhere they are showing it, anywhere, any sensor that pick it, it will be on high quality. Then you screw up. You see the last one, you see save to device. You click it on. The reason why you are clicking this one on, so that anytime you are saving it on your device, it will save without watermark. So that when you post it on TikTok, it will be original you. You post it on YouTube, original you. You post it on Instagram, original you. You post it on any platform, it will not be originally you. You understand? So because most of the platform now, they don't allow videos with watermark. You turn it on. Finish. That's just it. Then you are good to go. So if there is anything else you want me to teach you more in respect of this, please don't waste time. For the fact that you have clicked on the plus button, don't waste time to drop it on the comment section, because that is why I'm here for you. God bless you.